Hello students. Hello students. I'm Dr. Sandeep Vategavkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Kishanveer Mahavidyalaya Vai. Today we are going to start the new topic, that is how to write research article. So the main components to write the research article, mainly first thing is title and affiliation. Second is abstract and keywords. Next is the introduction. Next is the literature review. Next, methodology and experimentation. Next, result and discussion. Then next, conclusion, and finally, references. So we will see one by one then how to write the research article. First thing is a title. So let us see, this is the one paper which I have published in the Ceramic International Journal. So let us see in that particular journal. Here you can see the title, the structural, morphological and optical studies of hydrothermal synthesis NBA added TiO2 for DSSA application. So this is what the title of the research. Title of the research, it should be a minimum of 7 and it should be maximum of 15 words. Title should be clear. It should be clear, which indicates the whole research inside the paper. It should be grammatically correct. It should be grammatically correct so that it is easily readable. So these some points we should take extra care much about the title. Let us see inside the title there are also some points we have to take care about the writing the research title. That is, here I have written that structural, morphological and optical studies of hydrothermally NB added TiO2 for DSSA application. So here I have used a DSSA, but the researcher or someone want to know that what do you mean by DSSA. So he or she doesn't know about the DSSA. So DSSA means a dye-sensitized solar cell, that I know, but the researcher, whoever want to see the research paper article, they don't know about the uh, keywords or about the abbreviations. So the abbreviations and their full form that I have explained in the research paper, we will see further. Let us see another important terminology in this while writing the research paper, that is second thing is called as affiliation. So here, but before going to see affiliation, we should take uh, one terminology, that is the names. We should write the names of authors. There are also so many authors like myself, Sandeep Vategavkar, then Vinayak Parle, then Rani Pawar, Savanta Mali, Chanku Khong, Rohit Pawar, Anna Sahib Moholkar, Hongu Park, Balasaheb M. Sargar and Raghunath K. Mane. So these are the authors which are present inside this research article, and these are the affiliations of each and every author. So how to write the affiliation inside the paper? The affiliation indicates that the person's individual department, individual laboratory, and the person where he has or she has done their work. So this is called as the affiliation. Let us see. Myself, I have added my affiliation, that Department of Chemistry, Sanjay Ghodawat Polytechnic, Atigre, Maharashtra, India. Okay, so that I have published in the year 2021. So the affiliation, at that time I was working with the Sanjay Ghodawat Polytechnic, and here I have written the affiliation like this. Then name of the department, name of the institute, then city name, then the pin code, then the state, and then the uh, country name. So this is what exactly the exact writing method to write the affiliation. Second thing is that if you take the another important one, that is if you take the Anna Sahib Moholkar affiliation. Here, sir has written affiliation like Thin Films Material Laboratory, Thin Films Nanomaterial Laboratory, Department of Physics, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, pin code, state, and the country. Means what? In this affiliation, you can see there is a name of the laboratory first, then they have written the department name, then they have also written the university name, and they have also written the city name, after that pin code, after that state, and after that country. So this is what exactly how to write the affiliation. So this is what exactly the true affiliation particular to that. In my case, uh, I was working with the chemistry laboratory, so there is no separate lab for the research. So that's why I have mentioned only the department of chemistry, and that is what exactly the affiliation. So while writing the affiliation, you must take extra care about the lab. If there is a availability of lab, you must add the lab name. So that is the really important criteria while writing the affiliation. Next thing is that abstract and keywords. So first of all, we'll see what do you mean by abstract. Abstract is a short summary of the research article. If you take this research article like for DSSA application, here in the abstract, there are certain few points which are to be considered while writing the abstract. First thing is that in the abstract, we should write the introductory line. Introductory line means within one or two lines, you should write the introductory line. What is exactly the DSSA and what is exactly the research, whatever you have conducted in the laboratory. Second thing, which is very important, you should write the some results regarding the methodology. Means suppose if you see here the titanium dioxide TiO2 nanoparticle doped with various concentration 0 to 7 weight percent of niobium Nb are hydrothermally synthesized and used effectively as a photoelectrode for application in dye-sensitized solar cell. Dye-sensitized solar cell means DSSC. So this is what exactly the full form of the DSSC I have written here. So this statement indicates the methodology inside the research article. This also indicates the introductory part. What is your application? What is your synthetic method? And which material you have prepared? That are also written in the single statement line. If you see this single statement line, it elaborate whole research inside the paper. Second thing we must take care about the results. Results, that means whatever analysis, whatever the instrumental analysis you have done in the inside the research article, while writing the research article, you have to write each and every analysis within a single line. Suppose if I write here, you can see the rutile anatase phase transition accompanied by change in crystallized size, that is range I have written here, nanometer is confirmed by X-ray diffraction. That means I have did analysis that X-ray diffraction, and here while writing the X-ray diffraction, I have elaborated the X-ray diffraction studies in only single line. That is, single line means I have written the rutile to anatase phase transition. That means in this research article, there is a transition takes place from the rutile to anatase phase. So the different phases, different crystallized size and whole structure of the crystal is discovered by the X-ray technique, and that are shown inside this single line. So this is what exactly the X-ray diffraction. Thank you.